Hey everyone, welcome to the SnapKode YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something kind of magical, the engine that makes JavaScript work. If you've used JavaScript, you might have heard of the V8 engine, but you might be wondering, what's an engine even doing in my code? Well, today we'll break it down. We're going to see how this engine takes your code and turns it into something your computer can actually understand. So get comfy. This is going to be fun. All right, let's kick things off with a little imagination. Picture this. You're writing some JavaScript code, something super simple, like const has access equals true. You know exactly what this means. This code is setting up a little switch that says, yes, they have access. But your computer, it has no clue what you just wrote. You see, computers don't speak JavaScript. They only understand a very different language called binary, which is basically just ones and zeros. So if you tried to hand your code over to the computer and asked it to run this, it'd be like giving a chef a recipe written in emojis. The chef would be totally lost. This is where the JavaScript engine comes in. Think of it as a translator that takes our code, reads it, and changes it into something the computer can actually follow. The engine says, okay, I get what you're trying to say here. Let me handle this. Suddenly, your computer understands and can respond, got it, I'll allow access. So where did this V8 engine come from? Well, it all started back in 2008 when Google needed something special. They were working on Google Maps, a tool that lets you zoom, pan around, and explore the world. But the old JavaScript engines at that time were pretty slow. Google needed something fast and powerful to make maps feel smooth and responsive. So they created the V8 engine, which made JavaScript much faster. It was like giving JavaScript a turbo boost. With V8, applications like Google Maps could run much better, and that changed the way people experience the web. Now V8 is in Chrome and Node.js, powering tons of things we use every day. And guess what? V8 isn't the only engine. There are others out there too, like SpiderMonkey by Mozilla and Chakra by Microsoft. Each one is a little different, but they all do the same basic thing. They translate JavaScript into a language that your computer can understand, allowing us to write code that actually works. Pretty cool, right? And we're just getting started. In the next video, we'll peek inside the engine to see what actually happens when it reads and runs our code. It's going to get really interesting, so stay tuned. And if you're curious to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep this journey going together.